Hey everyone, I'm here to tell you that the electronic industry is experiencing a remarkable boom. This video, we will dive into the reasons behind the surge, focusing on the soaring trend of purchasing used devices. Discover why the industry remains resilient, even in time of economic uncertainty. Make it an attractive investment choice. As technology becomes woven into our lives, electronic devices are essential. We have recently seen this during the pandemic, when technology resellers and repair facilities were deemed essential businesses and allowed to be remained open by the government. The consistent demand for upgrades has fueled the electronic repair sector. Repairing and repurposing used devices provides customers an affordable way to stay connected. Buying renewed devices has gained immense popularity due to A. Cost savings. Used devices offer top-notch tech without the high price tags, appealing to budget-conscious buyers. 2. Eco-friendly appeal. Refurbished electronics align with sustainable goals, reducing electronic waste. And third, the declining innovation. Technology is not evolving as quickly as it did 5-10 years ago, rendering new devices not as desirable. Look, we all know Apple, Microsoft, HP, Dell. They spend millions of dollars each year marketing on the convenience of buying the newest and latest phone, tablet, or computer. However, consumer purchasing behavior has shown us that technology advances are not great enough to justify the cost for these new devices. Therefore, consumers are looking to buy renewed devices or trading in their gently used devices and upgrading to a newer model. And Techy sits at the forefront of this growth with over 200 locations in 9 different countries. The electronic repair industry proves recession resilient by economic value. Repairing often is cheaper than buying during financial downturns. Entrepreneur potential. Repairing used devices opens up for new businesses within minimal upfront costs. And sustainability priority. Repairing aligns with eco-conscious even in tough times. Everybody wants to save the environment. Buying gently used devices at low prices presents a unique opportunity for repair businesses to restore and resell, maximizing our profits. The electronic repair industry thrives by offering affordable, sustainable solutions. The trend of purchasing used devices combined with the recession-resilient nature positions us as a smart investment choice. The electronic repair industry isn't just fixing devices, it's shaping a more accessible and sustainable tech landscape. Techy sits at the forefront of this growth with well over 200 locations and counting. Consumers are absolutely begging for a reliable, trustworthy solution for their technology issues, and that's where Techy comes in. The Techy brand is over 15 years old, and we have built a timeless structure to help all of our franchise partners grow and be successful in their individual market. We have many new markets available, and we are looking for partners like you that want to grow in this booming industry. For more information, please visit our website at www.techycompany.com/franchising.